This video is sponsored by Pouch.
What up?
What's going on?
Right.
Right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You doing alright?
Yeah, just riding a bike.
You've been training the bunny ops?
I just did a few. I think I'm a bit tired now.
Let's have a look. I want to see if it got better.
Probably not.
After a bit of our coaching.
I know my foot's in.
What just moved?
I don't know, something didn't sound too good, did it?
Hello. Okay, so E36. We were going to do all the undercoating and stuff like that, but it's absolutely boiling and I'm really just not in the mood. The Passat has got an exhaust leak and some brake issues, so I'm not really driving that at the moment. So what I did is I got the 7 insured, and that is now my current daily. As you saw from the last video, it's filthy. It's been sat for months and months. It needs a bit of love, and I held off on washing it because I thought we should do like a nice little detail on cam. Jack's our resident detailer.
Just about.
Just about. He
Yeah.
knows what he's doing more than I do. I wouldn't say we're pro by any standards, are we?
No, it's just I get it done.
Yeah, Jack's got it in him.
So, yeah.
Yeah, he dabbles.
We broke the Karcher. As you saw in the last video, it developed a bit of a hole. Not my Rubicon Guava. Oh, baby girl. So we got a little new one.
Little B-Tech one. Straight through the hose.
Little compact unit.
This is nice. Got to get her in there, she's already lubed up, ready to shove in. Bit of, what's it called? Truffle bar.
That's it.
Nice.
That's good.
Apparently, you're supposed to snow foam dry.
Really? I always thought you'd rinse it down first because you clean with the snow foam, don't you?
But the snow foam, if it's dry, it has more to stick to. And then pull off.
Yeah,
That's the theory.
Should we do that?
Along with the K2 that we just went out and bought, I have this box from our buddies at Carbon Collective. I think they just watched the video of the 7 Series and they were like, mate, come on. We've got a bunch of car cleaning stuff and I'm hoping there's some snow foam in there because that's what we need to start with. Look at that. Oh my God, Ollie, you legend. Come on, look at this.
Whoa.
Bro, shotgun that back!
No way. Yeah, snow foam, here we go. That's what we wanted.
Do they know how much we wash cars?
Quick, hey, there you go. Quick detailer, you love that. Shampoo,
Perfect.
wheel cleaner,
Wash mat.
quick detailer, hybrid coating. Yeah,
you know
this
these
is,
things.
this is the rare loot. Polish pads, polishing compound, and
Oh, look. Oh my God.
look at
A
that.
bit of kit.
Do you want to use no pad in it?
You've got to scratch it before you polish it.
Ceramic coating. These guys are actually legends, man.
Right, we'll go through this whole bag in a bit, but first, I feel like we should get some snow foam
Yeah.
Get some snow foam on there.
on the old girl.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not full detail about doing that.
Fill the tank up.
Look at the slop on it, listen.
Oh.
All right, just while the snow foam is setting in, I just want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor of today's video, which is Pouch. Pouch is a free desktop browser extension that automatically searches the website you're on, finds discount codes, applies them, and then saves you loads of money. It's pretty simple. We were going to use it for the Karcher, but we need to go get that today. But I've got a load of stuff I need to buy for the E36 for the undercoat job. Also, I need to get brakes and stuff like that. So I'll show you how it works. So I'm on Euro. All we need to do is just add into our car. I'm going to do some Brembo brakes, disc and pads. I've added all that to my basket, and then you can see Pouch pops up in the corner here. Found me a bunch of codes and then applies the one that saves me the most money, which is sick. So here, for example, it's just saved me over 218 quid on some Brembos, which is decent. Pouch works on over 3,000 websites, including like Halfords, eBay, B&Q, Euro Car Parts, loads. There's loads of them. And even if there's no live codes available when you're shopping, you can still earn points from some retailers, which can be redeemed for gift cards. It only takes a couple of seconds to install. All you gotta do, 2 clicks, and then make sure you pin it to your browser, so then it will do the automatic thing when it pops up. If you want to get it for free, all you got to do, click on the link in my description or click on the link there and then go get it for free. Shout out to Pouch for sponsoring this video. Let's jet wash off. that snow foam. That vibration is like, feels like an electric shock, doesn't it?
Oh, it's real.
I feel that.
Alright, so this is the React wheel cleaner. So we just put some in a bottle, in a spray bottle, and we're just doing the wheels. Bit of shampoo in the buckets. Right, wash, rinse.
I've never done it before in my life.
What, 2 buckets?
Yeah.
You dirtbags, even I know that.
3-man deep on some wash mitts with some shampoo.
Straight onto.
It's a big car, to be fair, but this will be quick with 3 of us. Get full ADHD with the spots they're doing as well.
Yeah.
I'll be like, right, I'll start doing the lights, and then I'll be like, oh, bit of bumper, and then I'll just be like fucking off by the windscreen. Car's washed, just doing the wheels. Then we're gonna dry it, and then we would clay bar it, but I forgot to ask Ollie for a clay bar, and we don't have one. So we're just gonna go straight to polish.
Yeah. Just be careful with it.
Just be careful with it. I'll actually dry my whole body with that.
Give you a beach towel.
I can barely pull that. Looking pretty good already, but only from a distance. So I don't know if you can see, but like it is.
It's just hazy, isn't it?
It's proper hazy, yeah. Do you want to do a 50-50?
Yeah, you got blue tape?
I don't actually.
Green tape?
Duct tape.
Duct tape?
Duct tape.
But yeah, we're gonna do half the bonnet and see what the difference is.
Loads, I reckon.
I love the way this is gonna be like a video on like amateurs detailing.
Yeah.
Real detailers gonna watch this and have a fit.
It's like watching.
Porn.
It's like welders watching
Homemade.
people that can't weld well, isn't it?
Yeah,
Or homemade porn.
Just too amateur.
here's the plan. Do half the bonnet, because I want to see what happens,
And then,
and then we'll get the Barbie out whilst you crack on.
yeah.
But another shrimp in the Barbie.
Do you know what that film that's from?
Dumb and Dumber.
No, it's not. I know what it is. Barbie. Oh, what's it from?
Australian Cousin.
That's not what I was thinking.
Dukes of Hazzard, when they go to the college campus.
Yeah, actually a banging film.
Great film.
Great film.
Sean William Scott and Johnny Knoxville.
Yeah, Johnny
Yeah.
Knoxville's so good there.
Yeah.
IMDb.
6.9 on Rotten Tomatoes rating.
Don't care about Rotten
Rotten Tomatoes can
Tomatoes.
suck one.
IMDb only, baby.
Same. IMDb is the most accurate. Should we do a giveaway? I've got
Yeah.
a question.
You've got a question?
We've got 2 of these bottles. If you want to win a bottle of Quick Detailer, then you got to drop a comment down below. Comment your best film under 6.5 on IMDb. What's your best worst film? What's like a film you know is terrible, but you watch it anyway because you think it's mint?
I got some of that.
Do you know what I reckon?
What?
I don't know if it's below the rating, but have you seen Superhero Movie? It's from
That
years
is
back.
definitely below the rating. I
And
think
it's
that's like on a 4.
It's like The World's End.
Yeah,
World's End,
nah.
Do you know what mine is?
What?
You're going to hate me for it because it's an awful film, but I've just got like, I watched it as a child loads.
What?
The Love Guru.
Yeah.
With
Mike Myers,
Mike
yeah.
Myers. Give me a pound, lock it down, break the
big,
pickle,
big,
tickle,
tickle,
tickle.
If you want to win a bottle of Quick Detail, just comment your favourite shit film. Done. Oh yeah, that is the winner from the last video.
You really need like a keen eye for it, don't you?
Oh, there you go.
Nah, it's way better.
Fuck. Fudge. Fudge.
Do you want to peel it back? No, because now I've got to polish off that wrist. Step into it.
Definitely a difference. Well, that's like a little first pass. Not perfect, but definitely way better. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I was about to say, do you want to put shrimp on the barbie?
I might put a shrimp on the Barbie, you know. Are you going to crack on?
Yeah,
Cheers, Jack.
that's right.
We'll like-
What you boys actually going to talk to me?
Nah, put your AirPods in, you crack on. Have fun with it. We're going to get the Barbie going. Jack's going to keep going with that, and hopefully it'll turn out half decent. I mean, it already looks pretty good. So, can only look better. Unless Jack messes up the paint, but I trust you.
Oh!
Bit gammy from the last time. Don't even worry about that.
Flavour, innit?
What's the rule with barbecues? Never clean at the end, always clean at the start of the next round. That's what I tell myself anyway, because I'm lazy. We always do burgers, don't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna change it up. Nice and simple, chicken thighs in a burger with some cheese, pickles, tomatoes, and then we got some pork belly.
This stuff is actually crazy. Salt
So
and
good.
chilli.
And some corn. Can't believe there's people out there who don't like tomatoes.
Yeah, it's weird as fuck, man.
But I reckon those people have never tried salt on tomatoes.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That was me.
That was you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
She's looking clean.
Giving a bit of definition back.
Definitely looking way better.
Oh my god. For a polish, that's what been cut. Like,
Yeah.
That's not cutting compound, that's just polish, so we're just polishing the car. So you could go flatter, you could wax it as well and do everything, but for making your car presentable, what more would you want?
I kind of just wanted to see what it would come up like, but oh my god, that back bit looks sick.
Yeah, I made sure to do the C pillar.
And it's made me notice there's a dent there.
Great Barbie.
Great Barbie.
Sriracha mayo?
Yeah, on all, definitely.
Some people could say this is wrong.
Why? What, American cheese on chicken?
Yeah, but it works.
Nice bit of halloumi.
Straight on there.
Dinner!
And there is
Good burger.
a very good burger.
Oh yeah.
And real stuff.
Is it good?
I actually reckon chicken thigh burgers are better than... Oh, I don't know. I reckon we just overdone burgers quite a lot.
Yeah.
Like beef burgers. Has he finished already? You started last.
So,
How has you done that so quick?
what?
Do that in 2 bites?
What was that?
Colour match.
Whoa, actually is. Baby, let's go.
What a beauty.
Oil, salt, pepper, wrap it in there, throw it on the Barbie for ages.
Butter's even better, but we forgot it.
Yeah, butter is bad. Way too hot.
Tell you what, how long does that take?
Hour.
I don't know.
Hour and a half?
Yeah, 2 hours?
Obviously we could go way more overboard,
Yeah.
but that is looking pretty good.
Amazing what like a clean and Polish can do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Clean and Polish.
Yeah, you've done well there. We could do with a dent remover coming out as well. There's so many little ones. There's one there. One there. There's about 8 on this. Well done, Jack. Cheers, mate.
Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, before it was like really hazy and almost grey, but now, I bet if you pulled this out in the sun, A, you'd see all the dents, and B, it would look really black.
Yeah.
Makes me just want a big old stock car to do this on. Like,
Yeah.
So it's like old and just gangster.
So, we've come to the conclusion that literally lowered and a front lip and it'll be the best looking car. So, I've ordered a lip and I've ordered coilovers. And then we'll probably do an exhaust as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we've decided to like do a few bits to it. And I want to drive it for a bit. And then just sort of like get into it. And then I'll decide whether I want to keep it or sell it. I know you probably can't really tell that much, but the car actually does look so much better. We didn't really do a very good like before and after, but it did look terrible. Like I said, we've ordered some bits for it, so we're gonna be doing that soon. Shout out to Pouch for sponsoring this one. Don't forget you can click the link down there and get it for free. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye, I'm gonna go melt. Bye.